All right, folks, welcome to another edition of Show Me Your Car. Man, do we got a neat one for you here to see right now. But before I show you the car, if you guys can do me a big favor and hit that subscribe button, that would be awesome.
Come on, don't be a wiener.
But anyhow, enough of that. Let's take a look at this car. I'm Craig with Show Me Your Car.
Hey, how are you? I'm David.
David, nice to meet you, David. You got this really cool car here. What kind of car you got?
It's a 2008 Corvette, a C6, of course. First year they put the LS3 motor in it.
Oh yeah, okay.
It came straight from the factory in Arctic white. And whoever owned it before me had, they put gray stripes with the gray wheels and all of that. And it was starting to flake. It was aged with the stripes.
Right.
So I decided to make it a little bit of mine, and I made them blue stripes.
Well, you know, I really do like those blue stripes.
Yeah.
They look nice. Now this is, you said this is a what, an LS3?
It has the LS3 motor in it.
And the first
which is
year
just
they put that in, right?
It's the first year, 08.
Okay.
So 05, 6, and 7 had the LS2.
Okay.
Everybody, you know, people had little complaints, you know, it was a little underpowered and this and that, and it had its own issues. So they boosted the power a little bit and, you know, made them a little bigger.
Nice.
And that with the motor. And here we go with the LS3, and of course step up from there, and you just get more and more power out of that.
Yeah, well, hey, there's nothing wrong with that, for sure. More power is better sometimes.
Indeed.
Yeah. Now, did you put these stripes on yourself, or did you have those done?
I had them done through a detail company out of Rock Hill, Integrity Auto Detail out of Rock Hill.
Wow. Man, I tell you what, it looks like they did a fine job on that.
They did a spectacular job on my car. I highly recommend those guys.
Yes, definitely.
They actually did a full thorough detail on my car and then put PPF on all of the forward-facing parts of my car.
Now, what is that PPF? Is that like
PPF is a
plastic stuff?
Yeah, it's a thin, think of a thicker saran wrap, if you will.
Yeah.
But it protects your paint.
Okay.
The guys told me straight off the top, my paint was in really good condition.
Okay.
This was obviously a garage car for majority of its life, so
so
they didn't have to do a whole lot to it. So they you know.
So that clear stuff, they put it on the front, and I guess if a rock hits it, it doesn't chip the paint.
It does
easily?
protect from rock chips, but for my liking, it's more the bugs.
Okay, gotcha.
You know, you catch your bugs and all of that on the front end. It doesn't take nothing. Put a little. I have a spray that I like to use.
Okay.
Hit it with a little spray, and it wipes right off.
Oh, nice. Nice.
But it's on my headlight. It's on my headlight lenses, mirror caps, everything forward facing.
Wow, you can't tell at all, can you?
You can if you know what you're looking for.
Okay, well, I don't know what I'm looking for, so I can't see it. All right. This is a beautiful car. How long you had it?
I picked it up last year in September.
Okay. What's your favorite thing about it?
The fact that I own it.
Yeah, perfect. Good answer.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. Now, I was
a Harley guy before, and you know, certain things happened with another car of mine that I had, and I had to get rid of the Harley along with the other car.
Oh my!
And fast forward, you know, things got a little better financially, and I decided to get, you know, another new toy, two wheels, just for me and the wife.
Good. So, that's all you need, right?
Yep.
Very cool. Now you were, I came by you a week or two ago, maybe 3.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And you had mentioned something about this thing right here. What is the deal with that again now?
So that is a wind deflector. I forget the company that makes those things, but there's a company that makes those. Not exactly cheap, but they're really cool looking. Number one, but they're supposed to deflect the wind so there's not the buffeting and all of that. You know, when you're going down the road with the top down and all of that. So
it kind of looks.
And they make a whole myriad of designs. You can actually get them customized, but
really
colors and all of that.
It's got the Corvette on the back too. That's pretty cool. Sir. Now, did you mention to me the last time that lights up in LED?
It is lit up. It is lit up now. You just can't see it because it's daylight, of course. But it is there, and I chose the one with the multicolor, so I can have it really any color I want.
Okay. It looks like you got it blue right now.
Yep, it is blue.
Yeah.
And like I said, it can light up really any color that you want.
Okay. Well, that's really cool for sure. And I like how you got the Corvette emblem thing underneath the hood. Did they come like that, or
no? So the the black hood liner
Yeah.
is embedded with the Corvette logo.
Okay.
But this part here is actually an add-on.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And I purchased this from a fella on Facebook. He sells those, and I hope he pardons me because I don't remember his name right off the top.
Yeah.
But he tells me that I got the very first one with the blue.
Oh, nice.
So he has a myriad of colors.
Yeah.
To go with the design of your car, and he tells me I got the first blue one.
If you think of the name later, put it in the
I
comments.
sure will, most definitely.
Now, how did you put that on? Is that little screws or a pop
So
in it or what?
it actually goes on with adhesive. There is a very tacky adhesive that sticks to it.
Okay.
And there is another one of these that's a metal version that comes with the screws.
Yeah.
I decided to put that in the house, so it's on my wall at the house.
Oh, nice.
I kept the screws from that, and I just went ahead and put those on just for added.
Yeah.
It's not needed. That is not coming off of there.
That is really neat, huh? For
Yes.
sure. So I bet that looks good at your house, the metal one.
Yes, it does.
And in your garage, maybe?
On the door to the garage, but yep.
Oh,
it's
sweet.
right there.
Yeah. That's a good place to put it, for
Indeed.
sure. Definitely. Now, I see you got different lights up here. Are these two right here, are these your headlights?
Those are the headlights, and those are factory.
Okay.
Those came from GM just like that.
Okay, and then I guess this is your blinker over here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and I see one of them
they
is...
come, I know my car, the 2008s, they came with their HID headlights. So they got the bright filament and all of that stuff in there. The high beams are a little lacking. I do wish they had more power to them. But the fact that the headlight housing is painted, you can't really do a whole lot with it unless you crack that open, and you run into a whole myriad of problems with that.
Right.
But
so if you was to change a light bulb, I guess you'd have to go from...
in order to do that, a lot of that stuff is up underneath the wheel well.
Oh, my.
It's up inside of there. It's
Holy
not
cow.
difficult to do. It's just time consuming.
Yeah, exactly. All right, well, I'll tell you what I'm going to do here. I am going to get a video of the top of your car so you can see what it looks like from up high. This is always one of my favorite views.
Yeah. And Craig, one of the other things that I have done is on the inside here.
Yeah.
A lot of people choose to upgrade their audio and things like that. I did that.
Oh, you did,
and
huh?
I did. I went with the night drive center console.
Okay.
It basically replaces the radio. It replaces the HVAC system, and it does away with the cigarette lighter and all of that that's in there.
Wow, that's almost the size of a big iPad, isn't it?
It is effectively it is a tablet that's turned sideways.
Yeah.
And the guy that sells those, his name is Damian Knight, and I highly recommend that. It's pricey.
Yeah.
Not everybody can get them.
You're right.
With the money.
Right.
But if you can, I highly recommend it.
Nice.
It's a very nice product, and you can customize that thing to no end. I mean,
to no end, huh?
So.
All right, sir. Well, is there anything else you want to show me on your car? I think we went over about everything.
It is what it is.
That's it. All right, sir. Well, thank you so much.
Appreciate you taking the
time.
time.
For taking a couple minutes out and showing me your car. This is really something to be proud of, for sure.
Hey, I'm having fun with it, and that's what it's all about.
That's it. All right, folks. Well, I hope you enjoyed that edition of Show Me Your Car. And if you did, click right up here on the round logo. You can subscribe there. It's free to do. And right here on this side was the last video I just did. Thanks again.